Anna Brandt here for Evoto. I'm actually going to try Evoto's color changer, which is in beta. The clothing adjustment color changer beta. I was editing in Evoto today and I was like, oh, I really want to change these colors. So in Photoshop, I did a color picker, grabbed the hex code, and then I logged into Evoto, uploaded the image, and put the hex code here. I've written custom area hat and outfit. We'll see if it does what I wanted to do. I'm going to hit generate. I've done this for maternity for a gown, and it's actually worked really well, but I have not done it for newborn yet. So I don't see anything happening. Let's try that again. I can try doing that and see if it'll do it. And nothing. I maybe put the custom color in there. Generation failed. Why? Generation failed. Okay, I have no idea why it's failing. So let's try just the hat. Nope. Okay, let's try refreshing. Let's upload the image. Let's do custom color. We're going to say hat. We'll say 4K. And then there's our custom color. I don't really know. I'm a little confused by these two areas. So I don't know if I'm just supposed to put the color here or here. Patterns, I don't really get it. So that's okay. So we'll do generate. Now it's working. So that was just the hat. I didn't do upper body. So I guess I'll have to run it again for upper body. Let's see how good it looks. I had already cleaned the skin in Evoto. So if I show you before and after, you can see the difference there. See the difference? There's the difference. Okay, so let's go back. Oh, it's so close. Finalizing details. While it's doing that, I can add the other image. I think it was both of these I want to add. Ooh, interesting. Okay, it gave it a polka dot outfit. Okay, this I find fascinating. It's not sticking with my other images. Let's see. Okay, so kind of cute. So let's see if I do upper body and add color. I think this is what I'm supposed to do. All right, that seems like it's going much faster anyway. If you're not using Evoto, I could not recommend it more. I really do love this program. I use it on every single client. Okay, I love how fast this is going. All right, so let's see. Almost there. And I don't know why it's adding polka dots. Someone needs to explain that to me. I really don't know why it's adding polka dots. I just want a solid color. So let me try this. Let me try this and see. just don't know why. And see if this will do it. Seems like it's definitely going much faster than the first time. Okay, 92%. Almost there. I'm looking forward to getting this out of beta and bringing this in the main system, because I think, especially around the holidays, I think I would use this a lot more. Finally. Okay, I love this. I love how good that looks. Okay, that's fantastic. Now, I'm wondering... Okay, so that one's perfect. I'm just wondering if we can sync these. So if I do this, and this, and this, no, there's no syncing there. I saw a syncing somewhere else. Oh, now I'm back here. Batch generate. So what if I just do this one, oops, to batch generate this one and this one. And let's say upper body, hat. Maybe because I had the colors both there and I didn't the first time, hence I got the polka dots. That might make more sense. But I think that has to be explained a little bit better. But I like it. I like that I don't have to mask or select or draw or use the wizard. I think color changes should be really easy because, especially during the holiday time, you just don't have time for, you know, selecting or anything like that. So hopefully. All right, we're almost there. I think this will be a game changer because I love monotone setups. There we go, beautiful. And especially if you're starting out and you don't have the money to buy everything coordinating, although I think you should. All right, that's beautiful. Love it. Okay, so there we go. So there's the Evoto color changer. I love it. Check it out. You can use code ANNA, capital ANA 11 for 50 free credits in Evoto if you've never used it before.